Hi everybody, my name is Sebastian Giroux, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to create a responsive blog using Ekomobi. The first thing you need to do when creating a blog using Ekomobi is to enable the blog function in the experimental feature. So you go into reseller admin, you select the site you want to modify, and you click on experimental, and that's going to add new buttons into your editor. For example, the category button, which we're going to be using later on. So next, what you want to do is create your categories within your blog. So for us, what the blog is going to be for is for teaching our customers about how to create websites. So we're going to add categories related to that. So here I'm going to create the first category. So the getting started category, which is going to hold all the blog posts for helping people getting started with Ekomobi. Since I'm going to do a lot of web design and theme tutorials as well, so I'm going to create a category for that, so web design and themes. And finally, I'm going to add a third category for search engine optimization and web analytics. I'm going to call it search engine optimization for now. Okay, so I'm just going to save it. And now what I notice is that I want maybe capitalize all the letters. I'm just going to edit the second category and change it and click save. So now all my categories are saved. Next, I want to create my first blog post. So in order to do that, I'm just going to create a normal Ekomobi page. So in my case, I'm creating a tutorial, video tutorials with a little bit of text above the tutorial, and then the actual link to the YouTube, and then the transcription below it. So the things I want to change and are different than normal page, I want to add the author, which in that case is going to be my name, so Sebastian Giroux, and I want to add the publication date as well for the blog post. So I'm going to select the date that the post was created. I want to add a thumbnail because that's going to show in the main blog page. The thumbnails. I'm going to disable show in the menu because I don't want all the blog posts to be shown in the drop-down menu. And then I'm going to show the side column so that the blog post will show the side column. And I'm going to select the categories for this blog post. So now I'm going to save the page, and then I'm going to reload the editor, and we'll see the change being applied to the page. So click on reload, and see now we have the blog format with the actual web page. Next, what I'm going to do is insert blocks into my page to make it more blog specific. So the first block I want to add is the authors block, which is going to insert automatically the authors of the blog post inside the blog element. So I'm going to go in my list of block and drag it here. So I see it has automatically posted by Sebastian Giroux. And the next thing I want to do is make sure that the author is exactly the same as the author that I have inside my Google Plus account. So once Google see a correlation between the posted by Sebastian Giroux and the actual Google Plus name, it's going to add the Google Plus picture right next to the search engine rankings, which is going to help a lot for people to get credibility and to click on the search result. Okay, so you want to add the authors block. Then afterwards, what you're going to do is add a discussion at the end, so people can comment on your blog post. So I'm just going to go all the way to the end of the blog post. Here's the transcription, that's why it is that long, but I'm going to go at the end of the blog post, and I'm going to drag the discuss block at the bottom. Discuss is a third-party software that we're using for comment within Ekomobi. So I'm going to click on the settings of this block, and then I'm going to add Ekomobi, so all discussions concerning this website will be under the Ekomobi tag name. So now if I go look at the page, you'll see when I reload, I'll see the posted by Sebastian Giroux on May 29th appear automatically. And then at the bottom of the post, we're going to be seeing the discussion, the forum block. Finally, what I want to do is create the blog's main page. So that's going to be the landing page for the blog. So in that case, it's the parent page of all the items. So what I'm going to do is hide the children's of that page. I'm going to click on the never, and the children will never appear for this page. And then I'm going to drag the children's list blog layout into my page, right here at the bottom of a little bit of text, and then I'm going to edit the page settings, and I'm gonna make sure to show the side column, the blog format. So I'm gonna save that and reload my page. See, now I have the children's list as in blog format, along with the categories to the right. So now if I go back to my main blogs page, I see now it's in the blog format with the categories. And if I click on the title of one of the article, I'm going to be redirected directly to that article, again in blog format. Okay. So that covers this tutorial concerning how to create a blog with Ekomobi. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at support@ekomobi.com. So thank you very much. Have a good day.